IIHS is releasing a new round of ratings for our updated front crash prevention test. This program was designed to address the most common front-to-rear crashes that occur with passenger cars and the more serious crashes involving a tractor-trailer and motorcycle that often result in fatalities. Tests are conducted with a passenger car and motorcycle target at speeds of 31, 37, and 43 miles per hour, with the target centered and offset in the lane. Vehicles are evaluated based on their ability to provide an adequate warning as well as mitigate or avoid crashes with the targets. In the trailer scenario, we only evaluate the forward collision warning timing. Test drivers drive at the trailer at 31, 37, and 43 miles per hour and then steer around the trailer. The results for this group are encouraging. When we first evaluated vehicles last year, only 3 of the 10 vehicles earned one of our top ratings of good or acceptable. For this group, 22 of the 30 vehicles earned our top ratings of good or acceptable. For the vehicles that earned a good rating, they were all able to provide adequate warnings in most of the test trials with the 3 targets. In the test with the passenger car, they all avoided impacts. And in the test with the motorcycle target, they either avoided or significantly reduced the impact speed. While most of the vehicles performed well, 1 vehicle earned a marginal rating and 7 vehicles earned our lowest rating of poor. These vehicles struggled in the higher speed test with the passenger car target and in all the test speeds with the motorcycle target. For consumers looking for the best front crash prevention technology, this group has lots of great options. We'd encourage them to consult our ratings when they're shopping for their next vehicle.